Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Poor audio quality in your Ring doorbell might be due to Wi-Fi connection issues, physical obstructions, or incorrect installation. To improve audio quality, ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and stable near your doorbell. Remove any potential physical barriers that could interfere with the sound. Adjust the position of your doorbell if it's installed in an area with a lot of background noise. Additionally, check for any debris or blockage on the device's microphone and speaker areas and clean gently. If problems persist, consider consulting customer support for further assistance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.